Dear students, welcome to Social Science online class. I am Satya from Department of Social Science. Now we are going to see about the lesson Geography Unit 3 India Agriculture. Today's topic Major crops cultivated in India. Students, listen here. First I ask some questions from previous topic agriculture. Are you ready? What's agriculture? Agriculture is the process of producing food for people, fodder for cattle, fiber and many other desired products by the cultivation of certain plants and the raising of domesticated animals. Livestock. What are the types of agriculture? Subsistence farming, shifting agriculture, intensive farming, dry farming, mixed farming, terrace farming. What is the other name of shifting agriculture? Slash and burn. Okay. Now we have to see about the topic major crops cultivated in India. The major crops cultivated in India are divided into 4 major categories as follows. What are they? Food crops, cash crops, plantation crops and horticulture crops. First one, food crops. Food crops like wheat, maize, rice, millets, pulses, etc. Second one, cash crops. Cash crops like sugarcane, tobacco, cotton, jute, oil seeds, etc. Third one, plantation crops. Tea, coffee, rubber are the plantation crops. Next, horticulture crops. Horticulture crops like fruits, flowers and vegetables. First one, food crops. Due to its large population, Indian agriculture is largely dominated by the food crops. First one, rice. Rice is an indigenous crop. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is mainly a tropical crop, growing mainly with mean temperature of 24 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall of 150 centimeter. Deep, fertile, clayey or loamy soils are suited well for rice cultivation. It also needs an abundant supply of cheap labor. Rice in India is shown in 3 ways. What are they? Broadcasting, fluffing or drilling and transplanting. Due to the increased use of the high yielding variety HYV seeds, CR done 205, AR done 306. Many of the indigenous varieties were disappeared. In 2016, the first 10 leading rice producing states are West Bengal, first in India, and Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Assam and Haryana. Next, beet. Beet is the second most important food crops of the country after rice. It accounts for 22% of total area and 34% of the total production of food grains in the country. It requires 10 to 15 degrees Celsius at the time of sowing and 20 to 25 degrees Celsius at the time of ripening of grains. Over 85% of the India's wheat production comes from 5 states, namely Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Apart from these regions, the black soil tract of the Deccan covering parts of the Maharashtra and Gujarat also contribute a major wheat production. Next, jowar. Jowar is the third important food crop of our country. Do you know? It's an indigenous plant of Africa. The plant has a tendency to grow in adverse climate conditions. Its grains are rich in carbohydrates, protein, minerals, and vitamins. Hence, it provides a cheap food to the large section of the poor population. It is also used for fodder in many parts of the country. Jowar is essentially a crop of the peninsular India. For example, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh are leading producers of jowar. Next, bajra. Bajra is an indigenous crop of Africa. This forms a stable food for poor people. Its stalks are used for fodder for cattle and for thatching purpose. Thatching purpose. What do you mean? Thatching. Thatching means a roof. Bajra is a crop of dry region. For example, Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Next, barley. Barley is one of the important cereals of our country, besides being a poor man's diet. It's used for making barley water, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh are the two leading producers of barley. Next, pulses. Pulses includes a large number of crops which are mostly leguminous. What do you mean? Leguminous. Leguminous means a legume is a plant. A legume is a plant in the family Fabaceae that comprises a peas and beans, and rich in vegetable protein. They are used as a human food and feeding cattle. They fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and hence are usually rotated with the other crops. India is the largest producer of pulses. Next, cash crops. The crops which are cultivated for commercial purpose are called cash crops. These crops include sugarcane, tobacco, fiber crops. Includes cotton, jute, and mustard and oilseeds. First one, sugarcane. Sugarcane is the second largest producer in the world. This crop provides a raw material for the sugar industry, which is the second largest industrial category of the country. Besides providing sugar, gur, gansari, it supplies us molasses for alcohol industry and bacchus for paper industry. India is ranked third in sugar production in the world after China and after Cuba and Brazil. At the state level, Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of sugarcane, followed by Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Next, cotton. Cotton is the most important cash crops of India. It provides raw material to the largest industry of India. India ranks second next to China in the production of cotton. About 79% of the total area and production in the country were contributed by 4 states, viz. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Punjab. Next, jute. Jute is a tropical fiber crops. Grows well in the alluvial soil. It provides raw material for jute industry. It is used for manufacturing of gunny bags, carpets, hangings, ropes and strings, rugs, cloths, tarpaulins, upholstery, etc. West Bengal is the leading state both in cultivation and production of jute. The other cultivators of jute are Bihar, Assam and Meghalaya. Next, oil seeds. Oil seeds, the premier source of the fat in the Indian diet, are derived from the number of crops like groundnut, rapeseed, mustard, sesame, linseed, sunflower, castor seed, cottonseed, niger seed, etc. These provide oils and oil cake which are used for making lubricants, varnish, medicine, perfume, candles, soaps, manure and cattle feed. Gujarat is India's largest oil seeds producing state. In groundnut production, India is the second largest producer in the world after China. Next, plantation crops. Plantation crops are cultivated for the purpose of exports. These are cultivated in large estates on hilly slopes like tea, coffee, rubber and spices are the major plantation crops of India. Next, tea. Tea is an evergreen plant that mainly grows in tropical and subtropical climates. Tea is a labor intensive and grows faster under light shade. Tea plants require high rainfall, but its root cannot tolerate waterlogging. Students, do you know? 2 major varieties of tea are cultivated in India. What are they? They are Bohea and Assamica. Bohea originated from China. Assamica originated from India. A number of hybrid varieties have been developed by mixing these two. India is the second largest producer of tea after China in the world. Assam is the largest producer of tea in India. The other states are Tamil Nadu, Kerala and West Bengal. Next, coffee. Coffee is grown in shade and it grows effectively in the altitudes between 1000 and 1500 meter above mean sea level. These are 2 main varieties of coffee. They are Arabica and Robusta. Arabica high quality cultivated more in India and Robusta inferior quality. India is the 7th largest producer of coffee globally. Karnataka is the leading producer of coffee in India. It produces 71% in India and 2.5% in the world. Source Coffee Board of India in 2018. Next, Rubber. Rubber plantation were first established in Kerala in the year 1902. It needs hot and wet climate conditions, the temperature above 20 degrees Celsius and rainfall above 300 centimeter. Most of the land under rubber belongs to small landholders. The major rubber growing areas are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next, spices. India has been world famous for its spices since ancient times. These spices mostly used for flavoring or tempering cooked food and for preparing medicines, dyes, etc. Pepper, chilies, turmeric, ginger, cardamom, clove and areca nut are the major spices cultivated in India. Kerala is the leading producer of spices in India. Next, horticulture crops. It refers to the cultivation of fruits, flowers and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are the important supplement to the human diet as they provide essential minerals, vitamins and fibers required for maintaining health. India is the second position in the production of fruits and vegetables. Next, cropping seasons in India. Major crops cultivated. Cropping seasons, northern states and southern states. Cropping seasons, Kharif seasons, Rabi seasons and Zaid season. Kharif season, June to September. Northern states crops like rice, cotton, bajra, maize, jowar and tar. In southern states crops like rice, ragi, maize, jowar and groundnut. Next, Rabi season, October to March. In northern states crops like wheat, gram, rapeseed, mustard and barley. Southern states crops like rice, maize, ragi, groundnut and jowar. Zaid season, April to May. Northern states crops like vegetables, fruits and fodder. Southern states the crops like rice, vegetables and fodder. Students, listen here. Next revision. What are the major crops cultivated in India? The major crops of India are divided into 4 major categories as follows: food crops, cash crops, plantation crops and horticulture crops. Name the cropping seasons of agriculture in India. Kharif season, Rabi season and Zaid season. Mention the plantation crops of India: tea, coffee, rubber and spices. Students, listen here. Now I ask some questions from today's topic. Are you ready? First question. India is the dash largest producer of rice in the world. Answer: second. Second question. Sugarcane is the dash largest producer in the world. Answer: second. Third question. Dash is the most important cash crops of India. Answer: cotton. Students, listen here. All are take your diary and note today's homework. Page number 162 to 165. Read thoroughly. I will conduct apt test now. Get ready for social science app test. We will meet next class. Bye.